Splits. The most important thing about splits is to make sure that you warm up well. Make sure you do lots of lunges, make sure you stretch. We don't want you to hurt yourselves when you do this. When we're doing our front splits, we need to make sure that our hips are in line, and we ensure this by making sure our back knee's on the floor and our front knee's pointing up to the ceiling. Would you like to show us? Let's go down, that's it. So our back knee here is on the floor and our front knee is here up towards the ceiling, and we make sure those knees stay there all the way through. Okay, you can see here, this is a really good split. Okay, well, she's got her shoulders up, her hips are straight, they're square. You don't want those hips sliding round. Okay, and she's really comfortable there, which is great. She can use her arms out here. She can put them behind her. If you're struggling to keep your arms straight, then you can put alternate hands behind you and here. Okay, but we don't need this here. Put those fingertips behind you, chin up and chest up. The real key to this is practice. The more you practice, the lower you'll get. Keep going, keep practicing, don't give up. Right, let's show you box splits. We'll start off by doing our box splits, reaching forwards. Do it forwards for me. We're pointing our toes and we're trying to keep a straight line all the way here. So we don't want these hips drop back here. Okay, we want them in line. Point those toes, stretch those knees. Now this is really hard, but we'll have a go. Sit up for me and show your splits. Point those toes, stretch those knees. Trying to keep right straight in line. Chin up. Excellent. Remember what I said. Practice, practice, practice. It's really the key.